students, warm welcome to the session. You are watching EduStar Class.5 Science. Lesson.8 Rocks and Minerals Part.3. Dear students, already you have learnt about rocks, types of rocks, minerals, types of minerals and sedimentary rocks, isn't it? Today we are going to learn about igneous rocks and examples, metamorphic rocks and examples, and uses of rocks. Are you ready, dears? Dear children, shall we see about igneous rocks now? Igneous rocks were the first rocks to form on the earth. They were the basis of most landforms such as the plains, mountains, and ocean beds. These rocks are formed by the solidification of the hot molten material called magma. Igneous rocks are formed by the cooling and hardening of hot molten rocks. The hot molten rock flows out through a volcano. Hot molten rock, when present inside the earth, is called magma, and when it flows on the earth's surface, it is called lava. The magma is present deep inside the earth's crust. It is sometimes pushed upwards by intense pressure of other rocks inside the earth and gushes out through a volcanic eruption. The magma that reaches the earth's surface is known as a lava, which then cools down and forms igneous rocks. Magma or lava cools down and hardens to form igneous rocks. About 95% of the earth crust is made up of igneous rocks. Igneous rocks contain many minerals like mica and feldspar. Igneous rocks may have a fine or coarse texture. They contain minerals such as mica, feldspar, and quartz. They also contain silica, iron, and magnesium. Dear children, shall we see some examples of igneous rocks? Granite, pumice, and basalt. First, we are going to see about granite. It is very hard rock. It is formed by the slow cooling of magma below the earth's surface. It is rich in quartz, feldspar, and mica. It comes in many colors. It is used for making kitchen counters, floors, statues, etc. This is the most common igneous rock found on the earth. Pumice. This rock is formed by the very quick cooling of lava. It is porous, that is, it has many holes in it. Students, look at this picture. You can see the holes in this rock, isn't it? Why are holes present in this pumice rock? The holes are formed because of trapped gas bubbles inside it. Pumice is the only stone light enough to float on water. It is light-colored igneous rock. It is used as a body scrubber and used in polishing the floors. It is also used by dentists in powdered form to polish teeth. Next, basalt. It is an igneous rock with a glassy appearance. It is formed by the cooling of lava on the earth's surface. It is dense and dark. Its dark color is because of the presence of minerals such as iron and magnesium. Basalt is used mainly for constructing roads. Next, metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed from igneous or sedimentary rocks which have undergone various changes due to heat and pressure. This process of changing of the structure or composition of existing rocks due to heat, pressure or other natural agencies is called metamorphism, which means change in form. These rocks do not melt but may fold and change shape due to great pressure. Most of the metamorphic rocks are formed inside the earth. Examples of metamorphic rocks: slate, marble, gneiss and quartzite. Slate. It is formed from sedimentary rock, that means slate formed from shale. Slate is very fine grained and splits into thin sheets very easily. It is mainly black or grey in color. It is very useful for roofing, for making pavements and blackboards. Next we are going to see about marble. It is formed from limestone. Under the heat and pressure, the fine crystals of limestone change to form much larger crystals. Marble is usually white in color, except in cases where it contains mineral impurities. Marble is used for making statues and buildings. The Taj Mahal is a fine example of a building made of white marble. Gneiss. Gneiss is formed from granite. It is a rock with coarse texture. Gneiss has many minerals in it which appear like parallel streaks and bends all over the surface. Gneiss often glitters due to the presence of mica. It is used in making statues. Quartz, that means quartzite. It is formed from sandstone that is rich in quartz, hence the name. It is very hard and used in glass and cement industries. Next we are going to see about the uses of rocks. Shall we see, dears? In early times, wild animals and human beings lived in caves. Caves are nothing but holes in big rocks. Smaller pieces of rocks, when struck against each other, produced fire. Hence, rocks were used to light wood or used as tools for sharpening or digging. Later, rocks were used to build big forts and monuments like the pyramids of Egypt. Today, rocks are used for building houses right from the floor to the roof. Rocks are also present in many things that we use every day. Rocks and minerals are used as building materials. Our houses, schools, roads, bridges, etc. are made of rocks and minerals. Rocks gives us fuels like coal, petroleum and uranium. Uranium is a mineral used to produce nuclear energy. Rocks gives us useful metals. Metals like aluminium and iron are used to make utensils. Copper is used to make electric wires. Rocks gives us gemstone. Dear children, look at these pictures. These kind of beautiful stones we are using to make our ornaments, isn't it? We will use these stones in our ornaments. So these are called gemstone. Diamond, ruby, emerald and sapphire are the minerals used as gemstones. Some medicines are made using china clay. The pumice stone that is used to rub away dead skin is an igneous rock. This is already we have learned. It is the only rock that floats on water. Soapstone is a metamorphic rock made of the softest mineral in the world, that is talc. Talcum powder is powdered talc. Toothpaste contains limestone, a sedimentary rock. Electronic machines have parts made of mica and igneous rock. Dear children, let's start to write today's classwork. We have written up to the sandstone, isn't it? Now we have to continue and write the following classwork. First you have to write igneous rock heading with black pen, then write with blue pen. Igneous rocks are formed by the cooling and hardening of hot molten rocks. Examples of igneous rock: granite, pumice and basalt. Next, granite. It is very hard rock. It is rich in quartz, feldspar and mica. It is used for making kitchen counters, floors, statues, etc. Pumice. This rock is formed by the very quick cooling of lava. It is porous. Basalt. It is an igneous rock with a glassy appearance. It is formed by the cooling of lava on the earth's surface. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed from igneous or sedimentary rocks which have undergone various changes due to heat and pressure. Examples of metamorphic rocks: slate, marble, gneiss and quartzite. Slate. Slate is very fine grained and splits into thin sheets very easily. Marble. It is formed from limestone. Gneiss. Gneiss is formed from granite. Quartzite. It is formed from sandstone that is rich in quartz. Dear children, Write the classwork neatly. Still we are having part 4 video session for this lesson. So students, listen. After completing the whole lesson only you have to send the classwork photos. Is it clear, dears? Okay dear children, we will meet soon in our next video session. Thank you dears.